M2 How-To Video Series. Step 4. Connecting your M2 to the QBOID Cloud. Connect your M2 to Wi-Fi internet service. Find the insert card in your QBOID box, or pause this video and scan the QR code on your screen. Apply for a free QBOID Basic Cloud account. You will receive an email with your temporary password and instructions on how to link your M2 to your cloud account. Log into your QBOID Cloud account on a PC. Click on Devices. Click on Add. Scan the QR code that pops up on your PC screen. Answer yes to all the following questions, which you can change these settings later anytime. That's it! Your M2 has now been added to your cloud account. You should see the M2 serial number listed on the devices for your account. That number will also be on the back of your box.